Yo, what is up, fam? Welcome back to All Things Dope. And today's day, I got a little something that I've actually been sitting on since like October of last year. Not because I haven't wanted to shoot a video, but I've been crazy busy with literally everything you can think of. But beyond all of that, let's get to the shoe. So I've been wanting to wear this shoe actually since October. But I honestly haven't had the chance to wear them. I haven't had the chance to really kind of just sit down and plan out a shoot. And one of my friends is actually going to be coming along with this. His name is Jonathan Flores. I'll make sure to link his Instagram in here. Dude takes crazy good photos. So I'm super excited to link up with him. So we'll do the lookbook together. He'll get a couple of shots and we'll put together the outfit. For today, the Nike 720, the Nike Air Max 720. What place does it hold in 2020? When the shoe came out, I originally wanted it to be the Nike's answer to the Ultra Boost because it looked crazy comfy. But I can tell you right now, I've put this shoe on myself, and while it's been cool, it's a good shoe to put on, it's definitely not an Ultra Boost killer, which sucks because I haven't found a shoe that has been an Ultra Boost killer. If you can think of a shoe, please let me know in the comments what that Ultra Boost killer is, because to be honest, Boost is still life. That's the whole reason that I skipped out on the newest that's the whole reason that I skipped out on the newest Kanye West Adidas shoe, the little Azriels. Like, those look dope. Those look super dope. But what wasn't cool about it is it didn't have any boost. And I'm like, bro, if I'm paying that kind of money, I really want some boost element into it. If it doesn't have the boost element, what am I gonna wear? But anyways, the Nike Air Max 720. This has been a really cool shoe. I do like the box. The packaging is cool. Let's get into it. I've already opened this myself, so the excitement is not as there like it was for the BB Adapts. But this right here, really cool shoe. I do like it. The paper is cool. But I went with the classic all white. You can't go wrong with all white. This is the Nike Air Max 720. I really do like it. It is crispy AF. Like, as far as a white shoe goes, can't get no whiter. I would say this is genuinely just an overall clean shoe, man. Just like, you can't go any wrong. This goes with everything. White always goes with everything. Doesn't matter what it is. You can throw on an all white clean sneaker and you're always gonna win the day. However, this is West Texas, so dirt is crazy. I mean, even right now for the lookbook, I think we might go into some places where I might get the shoes dirty. So I'm not excited about that. But we do have an answer. Insert the Crep Protect. If you live in a place where there's a lot of dirt or rain or anywhere, and this video is not sponsored by the way, but this right here will do the trick. The Crep Protect every single time. If you have it. I'm actually running low, so I might have to re-up on this, but this is definitely something that I would recommend anybody who lives in I mean, if you live in West Texas, definitely, for sure. East Texas, maybe not so much. South Texas, maybe. But I live in Texas, and so for us here, this is an absolute must. You have to spray these mugs down. You're insane if you don't. Like, that's how you take care of good shoes. I mean, everybody always asks how you keep your shoes clean. Well, it starts with just protecting them. Honestly, protect your shoes. Every single one of them. This is an investment. Granted, I got these on the cheap last October. I got them. This shoe, when it retailed, this shoe came out and it was $200. And that it felt insane to me. I can't spend $200 for a general release. But as just this overall dope sneaker, I was in the Nike outlet store one day and I picked these mugs up I actually got them for, I want to say, 90 bucks on a sale that they had. I mean, they were crispy and they had pairs back in October. I don't think that they still have them, but I mean, for 90 bucks, absolutely, all day pickup. Everybody always asks, like, what's the general consensus of like cheap shoes? I would say anywhere from like $70 to $90 is crazy cheap. It used to be $60, but you gotta bump it up a little bit. The cost of living's up, but $70 to $90, that's a cheap shoe every time. Buy it if you can, because a lot of times these shoes, like right now, I want to say like last weekend, and they were still going for 140. So if you can get this particular Nike 720 under 100 bucks, pick it up. That's an absolute win for anybody involved. So if Nike 720 is something that you want to get, which I would recommend. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's a cool shoe. It's definitely a shoe worth picking up. So we'll check it out. We'll see what's what. I'm gonna spray these mugs down because, like I said, this is West Texas, and you want to get generous with it, especially in those like the crevices. like the tongue and the sides of the shoe. You want to get in there. Definitely get the sock liner. I ain't gonna front, y'all. The fumes on this thing is ridiculous, but well worth it to protect the shoe. So you're gonna let these air dry. They preferably want you to do like an hour, 2 hours if you can. I don't really have that much time. I got like a shoot that I gotta go to in like an hour and a half, so. And of course, just like anything else, man, take care of your shoes, bro. I mean, wear them, absolutely, but most of you guys, you're like over 18 already. That means you're grown men. Take care of your shoes. All right, fam, so the shoes have officially dried off. Still crispy as ever, as you can see. I do like a crispy white shoe, man, and I wish that I could get more of them. But living in West Texas, I'll be the first to say it is pretty hard to keep those types of shoes clean, which is why so much goes into the preparation to wear them, man, because it is hard to keep these mugs clean. But Crep Protect always does a really good job with their products. I would definitely recommend them, even though this is not a paid advertisement by any means. They don't even know who I am. But Crep Protect from Tokyo to Texas has done me good, so can't complain. But anyways, so I'm gonna put together a fire fit for you guys so you can see what these look like on feet, and tell me what you guys think. Okay, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and leave some comments about what you guys thought about the whole process. I'll see you guys in the next one.